Welcome to Pinoy Rap YouTube channel. We are now in Sergio, Osmeña. Stay tuned for more information about this beautiful municipality situated in Mindanao, Philippines. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Fact about Sergio Osmeña Senior Municipality. The municipality of Sergio Osmeña Senior, named after the fourth president of the Philippines, is a second-class municipality in province of Zamboanga del Norte. Known for its rich agricultural land, the town is a major producer of crops such as corn, rice, and coconuts. Its economy largely depends on farming, making it a vital contributor to the agricultural output of the province. Let's talk about the geography and location of Sergio Osmeña. Nestled within the province of Zamboanga del Norte, Sergio Osmeña municipality is surrounded by rolling hills and fertile plains, making it an ideal location for agriculture. The town enjoys a rural, peaceful atmosphere where being connected to neighboring municipalities, contributing to the region's economic flow. The cool climate and scenic landscapes offer a respite from the tropical heat of the lower coastal areas, adding to the town's charm. Economic activities. The economy of Sergio Osmeña is primarily based on agriculture, with vast tracts of land devoted to the cultivation of rice, corn, and coconut. As one of the leading agricultural producers in Zamboanga del Norte, the municipality plays a significant role in feeding the surrounding regions and contributing to local trade. Farming is the main source of income for most families in the town, with a small to medium scale agribusinesses supporting the local economy. In addition to its strong agricultural base, the municipality has been exploring opportunities for eco-tourism and small-scale industries for further boost its local economy. The scenic views and vast open spaces offer potential for tourism, while initiatives to improve infrastructure and local enterprises continue to gain momentum. Cultural and historical significance. Sergio Osmeña Sr. municipality holds historical significance due to its namesake, President Sergio Osmeña, who played a key role in shaping the country's political landscape during the Commonwealth and post-war era. The town honors his legacy through its name and is reflection of the lasting influence of his leadership in the Philippines. The local population is a mixture of Christian and indigenous communities, with a rich cultural heritage that is celebrated through various festivals and traditions. The people of Sergio Osmeña take pride in their history and cultural roots, which are reflected in their strong sense of community and cooperation. Tourism potential. Though not widely known as a tourist hotspot, the municipality of Sergio has plenty of untapped potential for ecotourism. Its lush green landscapes, rural charm, and cool climate offer an inviting destination for visitors seeking tranquility and natural beauty. The local government is working to promote sustainable tourism, focusing on activities like hiking, nature trails, and farm visits, which allow tourists to experience rural life while appreciating the town's natural environment. Challenges and development. As a second class municipality, Sergius faces challenges such as limited infrastructure and access to advanced healthcare and education services. However, with ongoing efforts by the local government to improve public services and boost economic growth, the town is steadily progressing. One of the key focuses on development and enhancing the agricultural sector through modern farming techniques, better irrigation systems, and sustainable practices. The local government is also working on road improvement and access to clean water to improve the overall quality of life for residents. The future of Sergio Osmeña. With its strong agricultural foundation and emerging tourism aspects, the municipality of Sergio Osmeña has a bright future ahead. Continued investment in infrastructure, education, and sustainable development will pave the way for for long-term growth and prosperity. The town's commitment to preserving its cultural heritage while embracing modern advancements ensures that it will remain a vital and thriving community in Zamboanga del Norte. It is more than just a second class town in the Philippines. It is a community rooted in history, rich in agricultural resources, and brimming with potential for growth. Through the hard work of its people and the support of the local government, Sergio Osmeña is poised to continue its progress and serves as a model for rural development in the region. Shout out to all the people living in Sergio, Osmeña. Don't forget to share the beautiful facts about your municipality. Don't forget to like, follow, and